In this video we'll discuss my method for making tapered Armin style wingtips. As with a standard Armin wing, start with a flat piece of foam which you will crease and then fold to make your leading edge. This measurement here, however, is probably the most important. It has to be the exact same size as your wing cord at the tip. That's exactly the same size from the leading edge to the trailing edge of the edge of your wing. Next up are the wing formers. Unlike a normal Armin wing, I've found it's better to taper the former in this case, and as a rule, if your wingtip is 40% smaller at the ends, then make your former 40% smaller at the ends as well. Helps to give a nice uniform fold. Next we need to put the formers in place. Just glue them down, no need for a spar. The thing to remember here is, when you made your main wing, if you started your formers 20mm back from the fold, then you need to start these formers 20mm back from the fold as well. I've also found that if you sand the formers more towards the edges, it gives a nicer shape once you actually fold the wing. Next we fold the wing just as you do with a normal Armin wing. Plenty of glue on top of your formers. Then, using a straight edge or a piece of wood, whichever you've got, fold the wing and apply a nice even pressure all the way along and leave it until the glue is set. Once you've glued the leading and trailing edges, it's time to split the wing into the two separate sections. Rather than making the cut at an angle, I found it was better to separate them with a straight cut directly down the middle. I then took a large sanding block and sanded down the inner edge until I got the required angle that I needed. Then just clean up the joins, ready for joining them to the main wing. Making sure the leading and trailing edges line up, glue them in place with hot glue, and then to give extra support I used a clear duct tape. Here you can see the finished wing with the wingtips attached and decorated to match the rest of the wing. And that is my method for making tapered Armin wing style wingtips. Hope that was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and keep a lookout for more videos.